What's up guys, it's Digital Guru here again and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys some things you need to avoid when applying for the Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship. Yeah, there are a lot of mistakes people make during the application process, so I'm going to be guiding you guys on everything. Alright, so guys, the first thing you should avoid is registering with an old account. Yeah, it's a new scholarship phase. You do not need your old account. You need to register with a new email, a fresh email. Everything you need to be using should be new. If possible, it's best to even create a new Gmail. Yeah, everything should be new to avoid complications. All right, then the second thing you should avoid is choosing universities with low acceptance rate. Yeah, now most of these universities with low acceptance rate are mostly in the cities like Budapest, I think PEX also. Yeah, and these two destinations are like top destinations for students, so admission is really difficult in these cities. All right, so it's best you apply to universities with high acceptance rate. Yeah, high acceptance rate, because universities with low acceptance rate is very difficult to get. Budapest University of Technology and Economics is one of them. Is a very high competitive university. The acceptance rate is, I think, below 30%. Yeah, so it's not really easy to secure admission there. All right, another thing is when filling out your educational details, social activities and related stuff, yeah, you need to start from earliest to oldest. I said that in my last video, which is the application guide on how to apply for the scholarship. Yeah, if you start with your oldest, it's not really relevant. They want to know your current level of education. So if you stopped at high school, you start with high school, then you add more choices. Start from the last level of education you've obtained. That's how it's done, guys. So the last thing we are going to be talking about here is your motivation letter. Yeah, now a lot of people make a lot of mistake in their motivation letter. Yeah, a lot of mistakes. Yeah, and it's very crucial to know that your motivation letter affects the whole application. It's the most important part. Your motivation letter is number one thing they look at. All right, now when drafting your motivation letter, you have to make it more personal in the sense that if one person is reading it, that person should be getting the whole picture in his head, like the whole scenario. It should be real and more personal. It should not be fake, because these guys are not fools. They are not fools. They know what they are doing. They can detect if it's fake or not. They make use of AI detectors nowadays. Yeah, they have all the tools now, so you can't draft anything from ChatGPT and submit it for them. You'll be automatically out of the scholarship. So do not do that. Make yours real. Be real. Make it personal. It should be more like your life story, something about your life story, how you became. It's about telling them why they need to pick you. It's about telling them why you are the right candidate, why you need to get the scholarship, why you are in the perfect position to get awarded. Yeah, that's it, guys. Just make it real, right? And one other thing is, when writing your motivation letter, make sure that it is connected to your study line. Yeah, make sure you've done some work on the study area you selected. Let's say computer engineering. You should have joined maybe engineering clubs in your high school and stuff. Include it. It's very relevant to your application. So make it real. make them know that you are really interested in that field of study and you've started something in that field a long time ago. It should be in your motivation letter. So that is how it works, guys. So guys, if this video was really helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. All right, in my next video I'm gonna be uploading more tips on how to secure and win the scholarship, how to avoid a lot of things that make students miss out on the scholarship. All right, ciao.